Welcome to my channel Unique Touch by Neetu. This is December month, the month of Christmas, the month of joy, happiness and peace. This month we decorate our homes with lovely home decors of Christmas. Every year we decorate our homes with store-bought Christmas decors. But this year, let us make these decor items at home with air dry clay. So today's video, I have come up with some of the decor items for Christmas tree as well as some of them are tabletop decors. All these are made with air dry clay. So first we are going to make some Christmas tree ornaments like this. So let's move on to the video. First I have drawn some shapes in a paper and I have made the cutouts of it. Then take some air dry clay. I am taking Joey air dry clay. Even you can use Fevicryl air dry clay or any clay of your choice. Roll out the air dry clay. Then take the papers which you have cut to different shapes and just cut the air dry clay as per the shape of the paper which you have cut out. Here I have taken a star shape and I made it into star shape air dry clay. Then the sides are very rough, so just take some water and smoothen the sides. It will give a finishing look for the sides. Just smoothen out. Then we need to hang it out. So for that we need a hole. For that I have taken a pen refill. With that I am making a small hole so that we can attach the ribbon and attach it to the tree. So same way I have made some more of them. Then for the next set I have taken some cookie cutters. These are of different shapes. Then roll out some air dry clay. Take one cookie cutter. Here I have taken star shape and just press it. So you will get the star shape. Then again I have taken a smaller one of star shape and cut the inside portion. Then remove the extras and you will get it like this. Here we have two, one bigger one and one smaller one. Same way I have made some more with different shapes. Then allow this to dry overnight, minimum of 12 to 18 hours. After that, to one of them I have attached a small satin ribbon. Then I am going to give the color to this. For that I have taken green acrylic color. Then just do free hand painting, or even you can trace some of the designs and do it. But here I am doing just a simple design. With gentle touch with the brush, just do some freehand painting. So that portion is finished. Then to give a Christmas touch, just adding some red dots to it. Wherever there is gap, just fill up with some red dots. So it will give a Christmas touch to the ornament. Same way I have finished most of them. Then we'll give another design. I have taken one bell shape and just marked half of the bell with a pen, and I'm taking Fevicryl metallic color golden shade and just give the color to half portion. So to give the exactness, we have marked the half portion. So just go based on the marking. So that's done. Now to the white portion, we are just going to give some writings. So here I'm going to write hope. All these wordings are related to Christmas, like hope, joy, peace, and so on. Then for hanging, I'm just attaching one red color satin ribbon. Same way, I have completed some more. So let's attach it to the Christmas tree. We have attached it to the Christmas tree. It gives a unique look to the tree than the store-bought ones. So try this at home for this Christmas. Next, we are going to make some tabletop decors. All these are handmade. So first, we are going to prepare one small tabletop Christmas tree. For that, I have taken some air dry clay and make it into a conical shape. Make sure that the base is flat. So the base is flat and the top portion is like conical one. Then take one small scissor and do small cuttings like this. Make sure that the cuttings are very nearby and fill the gaps with the cuttings. So that is done, and I have just taken a small cutout of a star. Once it is dried overnight, just give the color. So for the tree, I am giving the green color. Once it is dried only, you give the color so that it will give a finished look. Next, we are going to make some lamp shades. So for that, I have taken a small chart paper and made it into a conical shape. Corn shape. So our corn shape is ready. Roll out some air dry clay and just cover this corn shape. Cut the extra portions, and wherever there is joining, just smoothen the joining using some water. So our conical shape is ready. Next, I am taking a small star shaped cutter and make a small cutting like this. See, the inside the green color is our chart paper. It is still there. Same way, we have made it into so many star shapes. If you don't have the star shape, just take some refill and make holes like this. You can make round holes of different sizes, so it will look good. And I have some more star shapes. Preserve the other shapes for the next project. So just giving the red shade to the conical shape for the star. Next, take some air dry clay and roll out like this. Same way, I have made 4 of them. Then take 2 of them and just do like this. Same do with the other one. Then take this 2 and do the same thing. Then make it into a round shape. This is tabletop Christmas wreath, and just give a shape for the standby. Then the extra stars you can attach to this. And I have spray painted with golden shade, and the stars are painted with a red color. Then to give the Christmas touch, just given a bow with a white satin ribbon. So this is the final look for our Christmas tree, lampshade and the tabletop Christmas wreath. Next, we are going to prepare the Christmas genomes. This is a very easy one. So these are also made with air dry clay. For that, first we have to make a conical shape with foil paper, or even you can use the styrofoam conical shape, but I am using the foil paper cone shapes. Then roll out some air dry clay and cover the conical shape and just give the shape of a genome like this. And the top portion, just give a slanting rim so that it will look like a cap. Then mark like this with a knife. This will be the top portion for the hat. Then roll out some air dry clay. Then take it out and just attach it to the markings like this. Just apply some water so that it will stick to that portion. Then just press it like this and smoothen it so that we will not feel that it's an extra piece. See, now it is smoothened and we will feel that it is one piece, or the cap is separate like this. Then take one knife. For the beards we need to mark like this. So mark the beards. All should not be straight. So that is also done. Next we are going to give the nose like one round and just attach it like this. So our Christmas genome is ready. Now we have made it into dried ones and just give the color according to your choice. Just I'm giving red ones and just giving some designs also. Same way I have made some more. So here the hat is little more down, and for the next one I have made the hat little more up and given different shades, ash and green color. So this is our final product, the tabletop Christmas genomes. So do try all this at home. It's very easy and make your Christmas more enjoyable with your homemade hand decors. Thanks for watching. Kindly support and subscribe.